Hello my beautiful friends, today, we are going to discover the conjunction but in Italian language. Are you ready? First, the Italian translation of the conjunction but is
ma.
Grammatically speaking, this is a conjunction. Here the definition: it joins two or more elements, that could be words or clauses, and it is an invariable word. It is an adversative conjunction in general, even if it could have some more uses. It means that it expresses comparisons or contrasts between two or more elements.
Lei è giovane, ma si stanca facilmente.
She is young, and for this reason, we imagine she is full of energy. We use the but conjunction, because the fact that she gets tired easily, is in contrast, with the idea of energy, related with the young age. Now look this expression.
Ma, però.
On the grammatical books, the use of this expression, is told as incorrect. Anyway, you can listen this expression, in the spoken language. Please avoid completely, to use this form, when you write, in Italian. Let's see, the different uses of the conjunction but, and the comma. In many cases, the comma, is before the conjunction but.
L'economia è in rialzo, ma non c'è lavoro.
When the conjunction is between two adjectives, we don't use the comma.
Lei è attenta, ma vivace.
You use the comma after the conjunction but, when the conjunction is before a parenthetical clause, and it is used to increase the attention on the phrase. Here an example.
Mangiare fa bene, ma, come ben sai, in limitati quantitativi.
And now, let's see some sentences very common in the spoken language, using the but conjunction.
Ma veramente?
It expresses incredulity or surprise.
Ma dai!
Also in this case, it expresses incredulity or surprise.
Ma smettila!
You can use this sentence when someone is telling something you cannot believe to be possible, or, in a second case, it changes completely the tone. Listen as following.
Ma smettila!
The person telling you this phrase is very fed up about something you are saying or doing.
Ma si può?
This exclamation is used when a person has a situation that creates a sense of disappointment in him or her. One more sentence is:
Ma cosa vuoi che ne capisca?
We use this sentence when we think that a person cannot understand or know a topic or a situation.
Ma non è possibile!
You use this phrase to express disappointment about a situation.
Ma dove vai?
This expression is very often used when Italians are driving and a near car goes in a direction you think is not right. It is also used if someone who is with you goes in a wrong direction. Well my friends, we are at the end of this video tutorial. Now the conjunction but in Italian language has no more secrets for you. Video tutorial is over. Subscribe to the channel if you like, and see you soon. Ciao!
Il video tutorial è terminato, iscriviti al canale, ciao!